Hello there, my fabulous viewers. Welcome to our channel Health Haven. Today our journey of haircare magic. Today, we're diving deep into the captivating world of rosemary oil and how this humble herb tucked away in your kitchen cabinet can transform your hair into a luscious crown of glory. You may know rosemary as a delightful seasoning, but did you know that it holds the power to help you conquer hair loss? Specifically, we're talking about androgenetic alopecia, one of the most common forms of hair loss. Let's unlock the secrets behind rosemary oil's remarkable benefits and discover how to incorporate it into your routine. Rosemary oil is not just an aromatic essence, it's a potential game changer for your hair. In a groundbreaking study from 2015 published in NIH's PubMed, rosemary oil demonstrated results comparable to minoxidil, the star of the hair growth world, commonly known as Rogaine. But that's not all. Users also reported relief from the annoying itchiness of their scalp after consistent use for 3 to 6 months. So, how does this enchanting oil work its magic? To shed more light on this, we turn to the expertise of dermatologist Shilpi Khetarpal, MD. The study on rosemary oil really caught the attention of the haircare community, she shared. After that, it became a sought-after ingredient in over-the-counter hair products. But here's the exciting twist. Rosemary oil isn't just for the guys. Dr. Khetarpal suggests that it can work wonders for women too, making it a potential elixir for healthier, thicker hair. Rosemary oil can stimulate hair follicles, improve circulation to the scalp, and even strengthen hair shafts, making it an effective tool in combating hair loss. Now that we've unraveled the science behind rosemary oil's hair-boosting prowess, let's explore how you can incorporate it into your haircare routine. Step 1. Choose wisely. Start your rosemary oil journey by selecting a high-quality, pure rosemary oil. Be sure to check the label for any additives or dilutions, ensuring you're getting the real deal. Step 2. Scalp massage gently, but with purpose. Massage a few drops of rosemary oil into your scalp. Use your fingertips to ensure even distribution across the entire scalp. This stimulates blood flow, encouraging hair follicles to wake up and get to work. Step 3. Overnight soak. For the ultimate pampering session, leave the oil on your scalp overnight. You can use a shower cap or wrap your hair in a towel to prevent oil from transferring onto your pillow. Step 4. Rise and shine in the morning. Wash your hair thoroughly with a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. You may need to shampoo twice to ensure all the oil is removed, but your hair will thank you for it. Step 5. Consistency is key for the best results. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are healthy, vibrant locks. Give it around 6 months, and you'll likely see significant improvement. Now, let's talk about the incredible bonus benefits of rosemary oil. Beyond hair growth, rosemary oil is also known to be a formidable ally against dandruff and even premature graying. It's like an all-in-one haircare superhero, fighting multiple battles for your hair's health. In summary, if you've been dreaming of flaunting that fabulous mane, why not give rosemary oil a try? It's an accessible and natural solution that has garnered attention from professionals and enthusiasts alike. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of rosemary oil and haircare. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your fellow haircare enthusiasts. Until next time, may your hair be fabulous, your confidence soaring, and your day filled with beauty and grace.